Breaking news: internal clash within General Buay Rolnyang forces leaves senior commander dead in Unity State. A tragic incident has unfolded in northwestern Unity State as internal fighting erupted within the rank of General Stephen Buay Rolnyang forces. The confrontation, which took place on Sunday afternoon near Mayom County in Unity State, reportedly led to the death of a high-ranking officer, Major General Changkuoth, and 3 other soldiers. Sources on the ground confirmed that the skirmish began steadily and spread quickly among the troop stationed in the area. The precise reason behind the infighting is not yet known, and no official statement has been issued by the leadership of the movement at the time of this report. Unconfirmed report on the internal tension. While the exact cause of the incident remains unclear, some local observers and community members have raised concern over increasing tension within the rank, possibly related to command dispute, logistical issues, or conflicting instruction from senior commanders. However, these claims remain unverified. The other news outlet said that a message from General Buay movement has so far not comment on the recent incident. The death of Major General Changkuoth, a key figure in General Buay command structure, is seen by many as a significant loss and troubling sign of possible crack within the leadership. Known for his loyalty and long service, his passing could create a leadership gap in the area and potentially shift local military dynamics. The news has sparked concern among local residents who fear that internal instability within army group could pose additional risk to civilians. Community elders and peace monitor have called for calm and encourage all factions to seek peaceful dialogue and resolution of grievances to avoid further loss of life. National silence and uncertainty. So far, there has been no response or official command from the national government or the peace monitoring bodies. Analysts are urging authorities to intervene quickly to contain the situation and prevent it from escalating into wider violence. As the investigation continues, the people of Unity State and South Sudan at large watch courteous eyes, hoping that this tragic incident will not trigger further instability in the country. Many are calling for internal unity, leadership discipline, and renewed focus on peace effort within all army groups across the country. This is a developing story. More updates will follow as soon as reliable information become available. Do not forget to support the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.